Well, someone stuffed the flue in their chimney, and what a mess this makes. You can see they used some concrete bags, some insulation, and there's some foam there, and it makes a real mess. So next time that you want to stuff your flue to save energy, put everything in a plastic bag so it doesn't make as much of a mess if you have to take it out where it comes out on its own. Alright, so what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to pack all this in a bag. I don't have anything here with me today to correct all this. So what I would do is I would pack I would just use insulation, pack it in a bag, and then stick it up into the flue. And you can see the flue up here. We just want to stuff that hole up so heat doesn't go up there. So I'm going to put all this in the bag. And here's the reason why that all came out. We had a brick fall down through the chimney. So as of right now, I have everything in the bag. I'm going to tie that bag up, and we're going to stuff that all back up into that flue for right now. Until I get a bag with clean insulation in it, then we won't have such a mess when next time we have to pull it on or take it on. It's all contained in the bag. So everything, we cleaned everything up. Now we're just going to put our package back up in the flue until we can do something better. Maybe another bag full of clean insulation. It'll take a little bit of time to just work that up in the flue and get it better. Okay, our bag full of all our stuff is back in the flue. And again, I recommend you just take a bag, stuff it with insulation, and then pack that into your flue. It's easier to take it out. If it falls out, it won't be as bad putting it back in, and the insulation won't be full of dust, and it's less messy. But our flue is sealed up again.